In order to get your Instagram backup codes, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right to access your settings and privacy. Now here, go to Account Center from the top, go to Password and Security, then select Two-Factor Authentication, and choose your Instagram account name. Choose your Instagram application and there tap on Additional Methods and go to Backup Codes. You'll now see the backup codes, and these are when you can't receive login codes, like if you lose your phone or you need to log in from a new device, you can use your backup codes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.